What's up, people? We're back for another reaction. Um, I seen this one, and I actually remember us talking about it on the table. Uh, the show we do depends on what night it is. I guess depends on who wants to do whatever. Uh, but we were talking about a jet crash, and the dude died. Well, I actually found video of this. So uh, the uh, uh, at Quaker City Raceway, it happened in July 22nd of this year. Rip Al Zukauskas, Hot Babe, Hot Blade. I don't know. If I murdered that, I apologize. But rest in peace. We're not doing something that you love, and we'll go from there. Like, subscribe, comment down below. LimpyReacts@gmail.com with a thumbs up. Need a thumbs up, people, and watch the entire video. Watch the entire video if you can. I don't know if suffer through it, but rest in peace. We will be watching this one. So warning people, before you hit play, this was a fatality wreck. I don't know. I don't think it's going to show like dude flying out of the car or flying out of the jet car or anything, or it exploding right in front of somebody. I don't know. I don't know. We're watching it together. Zukauskas. Racing each other. Plus, they're pretty busy, pretty packed. Jet cars.
Sullivan stayed.
Oh. Oh shit! Dude's on fire. Was that him?
Everybody stay back, as this is not.
That dude standing on the fence too.
Luckily, Sullivan got stopped in time.
551 to 286.
So, oh my God. We're going to be down for a bit here for an incident at the far end of the racetrack. I hope he's okay.
I hope yeah. No, he's not. Let go right there. His throttle. He's still. Oh, it burst into flames right there. Here comes the other dude. Films it. He 286 miles an hour. Oh. Oh. That's bad.
That ain't good.
Oh shit. Debris.
Memory of LZ, and from now on, when we have the night of fire here at the Quake, it is going to be in memory of LZ.
Rest in peace. Find where I'm at here. Man, that was a pretty bad deal there. Tony Vickers. This was filmed by him. Young give. I'll link to everything down below. Man, I ain't nothing else to say. I mean, we all know the risk. I mean, shit. Bad deal. Bad deal. Prayers go out to the family. What else? I don't know. I'm lost for words here. Can you believe it? Limpy's lost for words here. Sometimes Limpy just lets stuff soak in and stuff. So like, subscribe, comment down below. LimpyReacts@gmail.com. If you got something we react to, uh, or else I'll keep finding stuff out there. Like I said, I have a wide variety of stuff that I watch. So uh, I was watching something my wife was like ingrown toenail removal stuff and horse. I've always, me being from the country and stuff, I wanted to be a horseshoer way when I was young. I wanted to mess with feet, hooves and stuff, but I still watch that stuff. But like, subscribe, comment, limpyreaction@gmail.com. Thumbs up. Y'all have a good night.